Yes, sir, you know what it is. Them Lotetayo, Bauyazi, Indombia, Koyayazi, Tariq Worldwide, Mkasa Chris, Dr. Zap, Nopez, and it's Lapa with the cool people. Yeah, Babanamos, Bongabanto, Naman Roman in we here, we're listening session by K Kid, Noma Oza, Orish, Umkarando, not one, but two, and as it was here, we are here to celebrate them. And if you are not here, where are you?
Phangelana ndizi bricks ninganiphazamisi Delis Combes Tupa kuyasetyenziswa yekuncuver Ndinento yothanda usibhetya masembone mali enter Choma nento yothanda uzenza sibuzwa kumkha yekuhlebber Nento yothanda uyiveza xa sewusenza
What's up cool people? What's up? How are you doing? We're out here.
Nento yothanda uthetha xa sewuthunga yakwazi yamesa yakwazi ikhupha ithula amasomza amjito uyawadexa
ayobhalele bitch mengenzwane Petilego city mate celundakhe wow
You know what it is? Dimlo Tetayo Bayaz, Nombekiayazi, Dr. Zep Nopez, and we here with the cool people. Dilapan Anamine, Don Petoma Oza, Aya Oros, Orish, and of course, K Kid, the coolest cat. I'm here with the coolest cat. Yes, sir. And Slabakum Karando, not one, not two. Yes, as in Rome numbers, as it is two. Yes, sir. And I've one question to ask you guys, like from her, like who was the first person to send the verse, like ASAP, Kumkarando 2? Creed. Creed. Creelations, shout out to Creelations. And what's the best song for you there? From you only. I'm gonna ask Orish also.
Mbaka for sure, Mbaka no Itemba Logishi because they hit home and
Temelologishi, trust me, Temelologishi is hard, especially for the street brews. If you're a street brew, you have Temelologishi. If you're not a street brew, Itemele city. You know who's carrying the city. You know who's the Temba. You know who you lost and you know who you gained. Trust me, you know who it is. And one more last question, because we're not trying to keep this long. One more last question. One more. Can I get one more last question? Say one more last question.
One more last question.
One more last question. So one more last question. Mkarando 1 or Mkarando 2?
Woo! Wow!
Wait. That's the one more last question we have. No.
That's like asking John. That's like asking who's your favorite child.
No, but we have to.
Nah, that's crazy.
We have to have it.
You are one pony.
We have to have it. Okay, Mkarando 3, okay? Mkarando 3.
No cap, Mkarando 3 coming soon. In 20 years.
They said 2029 and it came now. So next year, Mkarando 3 is probably the best mixtape ever. Shout out to Orange, shout out to K Kid, shout out to Cultish, shout out to the coolest people in the world.
Shout out to Monster.
Yes, sir. We are here.
I will go.
I'm taking a video. We're coming now. I would love you guys to come inside. This is my big brother. I'm his videographer. Please come inside, guys.
Oh,
by the way,
my name is Lilo.
Nice to meet you.
I'm late. I'm so sorry.
My name is Aisha. Just call me Aisha. I'm on a video hug. I'm going to do it in video. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Also good. Aisha.
My name
Reunited. That's my bestie.
What's your bestie? That's love.
That's my bestie.
You know when you
What a new one.
Latina sketchy like practice. And then we use Hasacha.
Okay. Sugar Fiti Smelly Melly the Shavu making a Symphony, aka Melly Yiboza. We outside Umkarando 2 listening station, Cultish, Cape Town, in Ingomend is a Joseph and Wheeler, beg like Mongol. I will take your job. I will take your job. I will take your job.
Guys, come to Cool People Podcast. We are very cool people. Leo manipulate a brand new manipulate a bad
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
The internet knows a lot about me. That's the thing, so I can't come.
Why do you care about what the internet knows about you?
I have a lot of files. I don't want to lie to you, but I'm not coming, people. I'm not coming to a podcast. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Exactly. Or I could just interview her, you know.
Interview me? What do you want to know?
Hi, girl. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Yoga.
Hi, nice to meet you, Yoga. And I love your fat. Tell us, how was the vibe? Because I just came here and it looks like everyone's leaving. How was the vibe?
The vibe was really cool, man. People were out here. People came to support. To see Cool UK Kid for free.
Oh, and how was the album? I didn't hear anything.
Oh, Zana, most of the time, Shem, I was outside. I'm not going to lie.
Girl.
Scat.
But anyways, guys, we're here. We're outside. We're here with Aloba Sold That. Catch me everywhere. I'm Aloba Sold That on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. But I'm not coming to Cool People's Podcast. I am so sorry. No. Love you guys.
andikho nkabasi abangamfuniyo mnani bathabathi bayi ngomandalinje bonza bathini anzelanga wena apha ehlabathini sifuna umhlaba wonke thina sifuna umhlaba wonke sifuna umhlaba wonke thina sifuna umhlaba wonke sifuna umhlaba wonke thina sifuna umhlaba wonke sifuna umhlaba wonke thina sifuna umhlaba wonke
Kanka ilizwe lonke lunch bar obvious funa uhlala izindlu kodwa oninalo proper she in love with the shape of me spaji sami rhombus usithandela ishampeke ne-spirit sakhe i-porn grass sis into emnandi yaphinda mali ingena nakwi-back jaw sozinyakathisa
umthwalo wakasahara
Let's just get a we're just gonna send this. Calma mi tempos. Sos mucho regalo. Let's just get a send this. Sos mucho regalo. Calma mi tempos. Pick up and go get them back today. It's true. There ain't no other way. Something I knew I'm a thug.
Every now and then I go through my emails like damn, all I see is niggas reaching, all I see is niggas tweaking. Did that chat cause I can't disclose, that shit sacred. NDAs in the chambers, if money not involved I'm anxious. I'm the hottest in the block, ain't even gonna hold you, I can't even paraphrase it. Moving in every degrees, I'm running it up, I ain't even graduated. Ain't taking no separations, I go Can't even sleep, that's on me. My only emotions fires. I got kids in the streets, reciting my lyrics. Young niggas sound like a choir. If I get bored, I'm trading at doctors. Said I'm working at Florence. Many excuses and many intents. Niggas avoiding our offense. On a big top, they say show me to be done, it's easy. Waste my time, bitches, wanna touch this, just no shit, it's serious. On a big top, they say show me to be done, it's easy. Waste my time, bitches, wanna touch this, just no shit, it's serious.
Wake up, then got for another day. Put on a drip and then go operate. Pocket slow, got me losing feet. By any means, gotta get paid. My life real, cannot imitate. Separate the reals from the fakes. Work harder, they don't care how you feeling. They gon' love you when you touch them. Baby, put up for my city. I put your burn up a nigga trampoline. Pretty boy, you live up with the legacy. Space is what I preach. I see progress every week.
That's on me, my only emotions fires. I got kids in the streets, reciting my lyrics. A young nigga son of a child.
How is your child?
Ask the question.
Okay, let me just finish this.
It's time.
You know what it is? Iphine yandimu bawukandazi. Ay ibukeli wera nemozulu. Still Dr. Zep, one of the coolest people on the planet. As you can see, Esbomba is fresh, it's fly, delicate and elegant. You know me already. I don't have to explain myself. And you know her, but like I feel like I need to let her explain herself.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, if you don't know now, you know.
Guys, this is her. I'm him.
And I'm her.
Okay, come tell us the song.
What's going on, everybody? This is the Cool People Collective. We're outside. We're at Cultish at the listening session. Kid. Everybody's here. Everybody's having a good time. It's vibes on vibes on vibes. It's looking clean. What is the vibe for you? What does it look like?
Okay, the vibe for me today is swag. Of course, I feel alive. I got my swag out today. That's what I've been seeing from everyone. Swag. So that's the vibe for today. Swag, and I won't lie. People came through for K Kid and Arish. If you wasn't here for today, anikwazi ba uhleli kokwena uphupha ndoni okanye ba ubuphi, but like judging from what I'm seeing here, bungekho lapha. So you missed out.
You went down.
You missed out.
I'm not your problem, just like 12, they feel like now. She got a petty, I can tell, I won't talk. She didn't say like they were singles, homie, get a home. I didn't see this movie, please, I like to my time, fuck the long time. So I heard you want to smoke, son. When that nigga say he hit it well, so now. Oh yeah, yeah, say come on, see what they do, I just told her that I'm a part of the whole world, I'm like, gosh, ties, let's fight the same ties. Let's keep us got bass, let's fight the same ties. Let's keep us got ties, let's fight the same ties. One bomb is all. One baba kanjena, bisugiliso. One bomb is all. One baba kanjena, bisugiliso.
Maybe after 9 months, show me some good share. Don't be able life most. Don't be I don't turn it down most. Just as I know say that. I don't be that down though. I'm so good at neighbor. Yeah, keep it down.
What's going on? Tank Demon in the cut, Tank Savior, Mr. Running Back, one of the make boys. Queer to the world. Except we out here. Yeah. I mean like queer to the world, queer everybody. We out here, Cultish. Shout out to K-Kid, shout out to Orish. Man, it's an amazing time for hip hop. Let's go. Top of the make. Queer!